Right, we're here today in Glynllifon with Hugh Evans from one of the founder members of Be Nesa Llŷn. Could you say a few words about Be Nesa Llŷn?
A group of about 11 local business people got together, and we felt that there has to be something more than just agriculture and tourism to enhance the economy, local economy in Pen Llŷn to start with. And we got together and created a fund that would fund seed money into youngsters that wanted to go into business and self-employment.
And that's one thing Be Nesa Llŷn has established, but your horizons are beyond that. In terms of, we've had Dylan Ratigan here in Glynllifon today talking about hydroponics. Could you talk about that?
Dylan Ratigan is world famous economic and political reporter in the States, working for CNN and CNBC. He took interest in hydroponics and wanting to sort of expand it throughout the world, basically. And I soon found out that it potentially could be an answer to enhancing agriculture's core business and creating another product that could be linked into the existing sheep farming, beef.
The reality of the policy change that's implied by Brexit puts the subsidies around livestock farming at risk. It's going to put some economic stress on the traditional livestock economy, and as a result, the demand to find ways to diversify how you make money in farming is going to continue to increase. And so it's not that livestock production will ever leave the area, but that the question is, how do you integrate other types of farming into the area? And the idea of introducing hydroponic farming as a local Welsh hydroponic produce brand into the area is incredibly compelling when you look at especially the available subsidies for things like biomass, which allow for the cost of heat and light, which are really some of the critical variables in whether a hydroponic farm is profitable, becomes much more appealing when you look at the subsidies that are in place for biomass right now.